All right, you guys, you know what we're gonna be doing now. Well, if you follow me on Twitter, you'll know. So I was already mentioning that we're gonna be doing some organizing today. So that is the plan for this video. It's gonna be less, I guess, less vloggy, like we're not gonna be out and about and stuff. I'm just gonna be here organizing the cabinet or the cabinetry that's behind me here. So we'll be doing those shelves today. All right, guys, so we're gonna be going through this top cabinet. The bottom one actually has like some boring stuff. It has like my hair dryer and, you know, some, I guess, dental hygiene stuff. It's got like my retainer bright, teeth whitener and stuff. So we'll do that one like another time. But the main thing is up here with all the beauty products. And yeah, so all my makeup is in here, this makeup bag. I have not gone through nail polish for a really long time. The last time was probably in Maui, I think, sometime. So this is all from NCLA. This was a Savon collection. All those colors from that collection are gorgeous. I love every single one of them. I've got like a little Bardot one there, and then that's from Australia. And then I have two from Zoya, and then my, you know, top coat Seche Vite, and my Zoya Remove Plus. So that's all of my makeup and nail polish, and I'm just taking you guys through each shelf to give you an overview of what we're actually working with here. And then I'll go through each section and we're gonna pull everything out and clean it up, make it neat and tidy and well organized. Or well, I don't want to say well organized yet. Who knows how this is going to go, but I'm going to do my best with it and we'll see how it turns out. And this, I don't know if you guys are familiar with these. This is a jade stone roller. So this rolls on your skin. You can put it in the fridge. Usually the stone stays pretty cool to the touch, but if you put it in the fridge, it gets really cold and it feels so good on the skin. You can use it for depuffing your eyes. And so both of the ends roll. So anyway, that is what that is there, in case you're like, what is that crazy tool there? In the back here are exfoliator cloths from Celux. That's a Japanese brand, and those are awesome in the shower. So instead of using, you know, like those puffs, that is like the ultimate shower exfoliator. On this shelf are skincare products. Oh, that's just an empty box for the Moroccan rose water. Okay, let me get that out of here. Yeah, sometimes I have a tendency to save empty boxes, I guess, because I like to read all the information, claims, ingredients, you know how it goes. All right, so we'll toss that. That'll be recycled. And then these are Osea. These are really good. The Ocean Cleanser and the Sea Minerals Toner. This is hand sanitizing spray, which usually I make my own, but that one was a good price, so I just snapped it up. And yeah, I haven't bought any alcohol to make my own for a while, like vodka, high proof vodka. But yeah, or like Everclear. Is that what I used last time? Shoot, did I even make that for you guys? Did I show you how to make hand sanitizer? Okay guys, sorry if the lighting's changing. It's dark now and I have my heater going, so that's what that noise is, because it's freezing in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove everything shelf by shelf, and I'm gonna set it over on my desk over there. All right guys, are you ready for today? We're gonna be going through everything and getting it organized. So this is my oil collection here, and this doesn't include essential oils. This is just skincare oil blends and skincare oils, or carrier oils is another name for some of these too. So like a jojoba oil, rosehip seed oil. I also have a Derma E cleansing oil, which is an awesome one. I love that. And then we have, you know, other products like the Derma E tea tree and E oil, and then illuminating rosehip oil, Moroccan elixir. This is prickly pear oil. This is another Moroccan elixir. This is argan oil and also has essential oils blended into it. It's a hair and scalp treatment, and then avocado oil back there. Back here I do have another oil. This is fractionated coconut oil. I use that as my makeup remover, so that's why I have, that's from Instant Natural. That's why I have a huge container of it. And because this is fractionated coconut oil, it will not harden up, so it stays liquid like that. So that's why you can have it in a pump. These are my Japanese cleansing cloths. They're exfoliator cloths for the shower, and then also a brush for my Tao facial brush that's in the bathroom. And then back here is Andalou Naturals. They are an awesome skincare brand. I love so many of their products. And they have several lines. This is the quenching line, but they have really, really good products. I'm always happy with just about everything I try from them. Pacifica Sea Foam Complete Face Wash. This is a sample kale and green tea, spinach, vitamins. This is Youth to the People, just a little sample face wash I'm going to be trying. This is a longtime favorite exfoliator. This is a Cure Brightening Facial Scrub. That's a really good one. You can find that at Target. 100% pure herbal detox mask. This is a clay mask. My favorite glycolic acid mask is this Rin Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask. That is so good. I love that stuff. These are a few Derma E products. They're one of my favorite brands. I love this toner, this Glycolic Acid and Rooibos Radiance Toner. That one's really good. This is a new one that I'll be trying out. Hydrating cleanser with hyaluronic acid and then a vitamin C renewing moisturizer. One of my favorite exfoliators as far as physical exfoliators go, Microdermabrasion Scrub from Derma E, one of the best. And then this is their Hydrating Night Cream. Over here is another Andalou Naturals Goji Peptide Perfecting Cream. I have a few products from Volition. I think that's how you say it. The Turmeric Brightening Polish, Eye Gel, and then Silk Jelly Detoxifying Mask. Oceanine Youth Boost Gel. I'm going to be testing those out pretty soon here, but right now I'm using BioClarity. So I have their 3-step set here. So I've got their Cleanse, Treat, and Restore, and then this is their Skin Smoothie. Over on this side, let's see, we'll start with the makeup bag here. All of my makeup collection is in this bag here. And then I've got the glow kit there, which is too large to be able to fit in that little bag. And then I have a few sets of false eyelashes there, my makeup brushes. Over here I have Perfect Canvas from Rin. This is a primer, so silicone-free primer. And then I have my sunscreen, Cover FX Clear Cover. And then my hair care products, so that's Pureology, one of my favorite hair care lines, and then Batiste Dry Shampoo. Nail polish, that's my nail polish collection there. And then all my perfume and body lotion. This is Andalou Naturals Body Butter, Bootsy Lotion, Tropique, and then all my perfumes are in here. My friend makes these in Maui, and I love them. I'm addicted to these things. They're pretty much the only perfume I've been wearing, for literally like 5 years now. So these are my favorite fragrance oils ever. This is the original Bootsy oil, and then this is her second one, Tropique. And then this is the new one that she just released, which is awesome. It smells so good. Colada. So if you like the pina colada, pineapple coconut scent, very tropical, very Maui. So Bootsy and I have been friends for a long time, and wait until you guys see what she did. She sent a box because I was gonna be doing a giveaway. In fact, I'm gonna show you right now. There is a box of Bootsy oils in here. All 3 different kinds, and there's a bunch of them. Look at that. So these are all gonna be individual giveaways that I'm gonna do with you guys. So Bootsy totally, just out of nowhere, she is just so sweet. She totally hooked a bunch of winners up. So that's gonna be really fun. Those are all gonna be giveaways on Instagram. I don't know, I think we're gonna start this week. So anyway, go on there, check it out, keep a lookout for it because I'm going to be starting it very, very soon. I don't know exactly when I'm posting this video, but shortly after I post this. I have my deodorant here, Crystal Luxe Crystal Deodorant. I'm pretty sure I already showed you my dry brush. It is Yerba, I almost call it Yerba Mate. No, Yerba Prima Skin Brush. And then my Jade Roller. Oh yeah, I didn't show you these. The Andalou Naturals. These are those little sponges, the cognac sponges. So it's like hard and crispy, but when you soak it in the water, it gets all soft and like super cushy and pillowy. Just really cushiony. It feels so good on the skin. So I like to use those to exfoliate every day because they're super, super gentle. So you're able to do that every day. All right, so my idea for organizing the skincare cupboard is going to be to use the white containers. I have 3 white containers from the Container Store. So I think I'll use 1 on each shelf, and then I'll have a little empty section next to them because they're too small to fill up the whole shelf, which is fine because you want them to be lightweight enough to be able to take them in and out if you need. Okay, so let's start putting everything in there and see how it fits. We're gonna start with this stick first because this actually is the handle to my dry brush, but I almost never use it, but I want it just in case I want to use it. But I'm just gonna put this in the bottom shelf because that's where the dry brush is gonna be, but I'll just stick it in the back so it's kind of just out of the way. I put all of my oils on this little box top, which this was just a little gift box top, and I just, separated it and put them in there because it'll protect the surface so I won't get oil stains on this, and it's low enough to where I'm able to read everything. I like to have everything really visible. Now the skincare tub. The second shelf is gonna have my brushes, which, yeah, they need to be washed. Sorry, they're pretty dirty right now. I'll get to that. I did have the glow kit and the lashes that were kind of separate that couldn't fit in there. And then I have the Rin, my Rin primer, and then a sunscreen. So I figured, okay, well, I'll just put everything in there and then drop this in, which happened to fit perfect. And this is gonna go on the bottom shelf. And this has my Japanese shower cloths there, and then my Andalou Naturals cognac sponges and body care. And then, oh, nail polish remover too, and deodorant. And then I have my jade roller and my dry brush. So those, I'm just gonna go ahead and set those here because I've got that empty space, and they don't really have to be in a container. They could, but I'll just do that for now. All right, guys, so that's how the cabinet is organized now. And I know that these containers, you know, they don't fill up the whole shelf space. Like, there's still a lot of space up here that you could use. You know, you could definitely utilize more space. You know, you could utilize every nook and cranny if you really wanted to. But I like to leave open space because that gives a lighter feeling. It's not so claustrophobic and jam-packed where you gotta be reaching behind things. Everything is really accessible. You know, and you can pull anything out without having to move other stuff out of the way to get to something, you know what I mean? Okay, and then I do have some skincare items that I'm currently using that are in here. So I just organized my nail polish in there. I was almost gonna put it in one of those shelves, but I just thought, you know what, these fit nothing else except they just happen to fit my nail polish perfect, so I just put them in there because they're like super narrow. Shelving in here, and then the skincare products, the Bio Clarity that I'm currently testing out right there, and then my Andalou Naturals, which is like my tried and true, and then here's another brand that I'm going to be testing out pretty soon too here, the Volition, I guess. But this brand here, the boxes, these are all empty boxes, but I save those boxes while I'm testing out these products. And then up here is just some little samplers, Pureology shampoo and conditioner samples up there. And that's everything. Okay, the one thing that is a bummer when you're clearing stuff out is if you come across products that have expired. So usually I'm pretty good as of lately, like the past few years, I'm always on top of it and trying to use stuff up before they expire, but I missed out on the Osea. My Osea cleanser expired and I didn't even realize it, and it was still sitting on the shelf. Osea is a really nice luxury vegan skincare brand. They have really good products. But anyway, yeah, bummer that that one expired on me, shoot. Okay guys, I needed to add this clip on too because it sort of was like a skincare collection along with organizing, but this stuff kind of came in later on, and so I didn't get to share it with you yet. So I just wanted to share it with you so you could see my whole collection of skincare. So I've got a couple of the Pineapple Cleanse and Pineapple Quench products from Pacifica to try out. So I'm gonna test those out and I can let you guys know how those work. But I really like Pacifica products. Also Bali Body. So Bali Body is one of my favorite brands for natural oils for the body. So they make a lot of tanning products, but also, you know, like the BB cream for your face, that's SPF 15 coconut lip balm. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you too. Definitely one of my favorite brands for body care, as far as, you know, oils, all natural oils for your body. And then here's another brand, Blue Lagoon Iceland. So I haven't got to test them out yet, but I will be trying those out. So I've got their lava scrub mask, silica mud mask, and a mineral mask. Maui Vera, I've used this for years. You guys, if you've seen any of my previous skincare videos out in Maui, I almost always had this in those videos, but it's aloe, peppermint, noni, all natural, really good, high quality ingredients, and it feels so good on the skin. It's also, so it's not just for sunburn relief, it's an after sun moisturizer, which is what I use it for a lot. And then I've got two other products from Germ E that you didn't get to see yet. So the 3-in-1 hair protection serum, and then the organic argan oil blend. So that's also for skin, hair, and nails with kukui and jojoba oils. So those are just some more of my favorite brands. And then Pixie sent a box that I wasn't really expecting. I was like, what is this? This is kind of exciting. It's their toner that I haven't got to try. This is the Glow Tonic. 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. So I love glycolic acid toners. Definitely gonna be trying that out real soon here. So yeah, awesome. It comes with a pump and everything. So most of these items will fit in the cabinet just fine in my little white containers, but I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys everything. So my entire skincare collection would be on this one video, so you know exactly what I have. That way if you have any questions about anything, I can let you know or try out some masks with you. Okay, so I just wanted to slip this clip in there. All right guys, I'll let you go for now, and I'll be seeing you in the next vlog, which will literally be happening right after I turn off the camera and start vlogging again when I take that out in like 2 minutes. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.